Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I do cash stuff and savings challenges. 100 envelope savings challenge is one of the best here. I also talk about my student loan, which now is going very well. I love the way it's going. So if you are new here, welcome. Thanks for being part of my friends. And today's video we're going to do my usual video, which I cash stuff my bill binder, and I have a lot of money here, so keep watching. Hello friends, my name is Josy. Thanks to my OG. Thanks for coming back, making comment. I really appreciate all of you. For my new subscriber, as you all know, I love you guys. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, go ahead and do so that you don't miss any of my videos. I've been thinking about what to do to this channel and what are some of the videos I should bring that it will be relatable to you guys. So I've been brainstorming. So starting next month, I'm going to post videos almost every day till probably end of October, maybe November. I want to do like 3 months stretch to see what you guys really like. But all the same, it will unfold when you see me doing it, because for YouTube you never know. You just have to put the hard work in it, and you have to have something that your subscribers relate to. There's so many things they might relate to, but you never know if you haven't shown on your channel. So today, let's count the money and do the cash stuff. And I hope everybody is doing very well. It's been like a long week. I've already spent my money before even doing the cash stuff, and that's how crazy the week has been, and to the weekend as well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So that's 1100. 𝒂𝒂𝒓𝒅𝒔, where are you? Let's do 50. That's a lot of money, I know. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's 800. One. Didn't add it. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 2 2 3 4 5 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 4 1 2 3 4 5 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 7 2 3 4 5 8 1 2 3. So 860. One, 2 3 4 5 6 7. Fifteen, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 215. Okay, so 2,985. That's how much I'm going to cash stuff, and I'm going to explain why I have a lot of money, because I'm doing my bill binder and my daily expenses, and my bill binder is kind of like the fixed expenses that I know they are coming. So and these bills are for latter part of the month. So let's talk about it. So this is my bill binder, and I do have this wallet at my shop, so you can check it out. And I also have this code I normally read. Money speak only one language. If you save me today, I will save you tomorrow. And this is how it look like. Okay, then for those of you who are new here, every 2 weeks when I get paid, I do cast off my bills. And I'm kind of 2 weeks ahead in bills, not a month ahead, which I'm working on it to get to a month ahead. So this bill that I'm doing is going to be for the latter part of the month, which my next paycheck is 26th. So 26th to the 2 weeks of that, which will be the first week in September. These bills are going to take care of those. And I do a split bill. A split bill means that, let's say your mortgage is $2,000 and you cannot pay exactly $2,000 from your paycheck. You put $1,000 aside for one paycheck, $1,000 aside on another paycheck, you combine $2,000, then you pay. That's simply split bill. You can do split bills in your high bills like mortgage, maybe car insurance if it's too much. Most of the time I do it on my mortgage and my car insurance at times if I don't have enough money. So for my mortgage, I'm going to cast off half of it today. The next time I get paid, I do cast off half of it. Then at the end of the month, first week of the month, I have the money ready. It only become very, very, very nice and understandable if you try to manage your money well and you get like maybe a month ahead or 2 weeks ahead. So I always tell people who come for advice, who I coach, that start slowly. You can start with your mortgage, that you try to be a month ahead with your mortgage. Then as you proceed, you can get a month ahead in your car insurance and all other bills. You take it slowly, but you realize that when you start this car staffing system and you do it very well, you follow your routine very well, you realize that as time goes on, you cannot pay your bills in advance. Not all the bills, maybe one at a time, you move on to two. So it has really, really helped me. Okay, so now that we know what I'm talking about, let's start the cast staffing. So for my mortgage, I'm going to do $1,200. Like I said, this paycheck is getting half of it. My next paycheck get half of it. And in the first week of September, I'll have $2,400, which is $2,400 to pay for my September mortgage. So even though I'm not a month ahead, I still can pay my mortgage if I do it that way, if I structure it that way. Then in September, my first paycheck I will divide, second paycheck I will divide. In October, I have my mortgage. So it's very, very simple. We call it split bill for those of you who don't know. So I'm going to put $1,200 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12. Okay, for phone bills, not on this one. For that, I'm doing a 700, and for that I'm doing my minimum payment, which is $535, and every week I put $100. So to the first week of September, I'm going to put $535, then $200, $735 for my bills. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 35. So that's why I have a lot of money to start today, because of how I did my budget for the paycheck that I had. For electricity bill, is going to be my next paycheck. Home gas, my next paycheck. Internet is going to be my next paycheck. Car insurance is coming to you. That one is 310. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that'll be 310 for my car insurance. Cricket, no subscription, not this one. Social media is getting 50. Investment is getting 50. High savings account. No. Apple One is getting 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Apple One is my Apple subscription that I pay for space, Apple Music. Also, I have other stuff that I use the Apple to pay. So all of they come out. My Roth IRA, none of this time. Miscellaneous is getting 150 because I have to send money back home. And I also taking care of my younger sister, which I do every month. So that money is getting put away under miscellaneous. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 150. So this is how I budget for everything. Even the money that I have to send back home, I still have to budget them. So it doesn't make you feel like you don't have enough money to save to send back home for people that you need. You can help. If you budget, you'll be fine. For kids activity, for kids insurance is 180. Kids insurance, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's the kids insurance. I do insurance for my kiddos, and then it's 180 for the whole month. Okay, now for this month. So that's all for the bill binder, and you see how I did a split bill between my mortgage and that. So for the rest of the money, I'm going to use it for my daily expenses. For my daily expenses, this is how the wallet look like. It comes with a chain already when you buy it from me. And today, like I said, I've already spent the money before I started doing the car stuff, and because we needed to go to the grocery store during the week and your girl didn't have time to film. So and I'll show you which ones I haven't spent. So for my personal is getting 20. And at times it does happen. If you're a card staffer, it doesn't mean you cannot spend on your card. You can, but you have to be conscious about it. I know how much I was going to spend in my envelope, so I spend a certain amount when I use my cash. It's not something that I do a lot. Normally I'll have my cash spend, or when I spend a card, I'll put the money back. But this time it wasn't like that. For blessing is getting 20. Using some of the 5s. Okay, for grocery, like I said, I've already done my grocery for the week. For gas, I filled my tank already. I went to Chicago over the weekend So I did that already. For Sam's Club, it's already been done. For Flash is getting $10. For date night is getting 20. Eating out is getting 20, which I have a date night coming up. For local, not this time. For clothing, I'm doing 20. I know I'm going to use my back to school for clothing, but we kind of do it as we go. At times you go to grocery store, you see something and your kids have it, I'll use that money for that. So that's why I have the grocery here. Okay, for my nails is getting $40. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Just to make sure. Okay, for my hair, it's just kind of funny. Let me see how much I have. For my hair, I can do 20. I was going to do my hair, but my schedule couldn't allow me. So I'm planning to go do it probably before Christmas. So I have to talk to my friend about that. For miscellaneous, I'm going to do 20. Okay, and 11:20, I think I'm going to put it in my gas. Like I said, I went to Chicago, so I'm pretty sure I'll run out before I do another stuffing. So $20 going into my gas envelope. Okay, so that's all for this week. Yes, so thanks for watching me today. If you are new here, I just want to give you a special shout out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.